In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Mailchimp campaign using your own HTML template. Whether you're an experienced coder or just getting started, you'll find this process both straightforward and rewarding. To begin, open your Mailchimp account and navigate to the campaign you'd like to work on. Once you're in, you'll see various template options available to you. Look for the one labeled Code Your Own. It's the perfect option if you're looking to have full control over your design and want to make the campaign uniquely yours. Once you select Code Your Own, you have the opportunity to paste your existing HTML template directly into Mailchimp's editor. If you prefer keeping your files organized, you can also open your HTML template in a separate file and simply copy it across. This is especially handy if you are working from a saved document on your computer, making it easy to migrate your previous work into Mailchimp. Now with your HTML loaded, you might want to make some adjustments. Here you can edit directly in the HTML editor provided by Mailchimp. This editor offers a clean and intuitive interface, similar to many other coding environments. If you're more visual, feel free to switch over to the preview mode. This mode can be quite powerful, allowing you to see the changes in real time as you make them. It's an excellent way to ensure that your design translates well from code to the visual output, and it's particularly useful if you're the type who likes to see the actual layout while making adjustments. After tweaking your design, it's essential to validate your HTML. This process will check for responsiveness and compatibility across different devices and email clients. Ensuring your email looks good on both a smartphone and a desktop is crucial in reaching your audience effectively. You wouldn't want your carefully crafted email to appear broken or misaligned in your recipient's inbox. Once you've reviewed and validated everything, it's time to save your changes. This step is simple but vital as it locks in all your hard work and ensures that you won't accidentally lose any of the modifications you've made. With everything double-checked and saved, you're almost ready to send out your email. But before you do, it's wise to test it thoroughly. Send a test email to yourself or a colleague. Doing this allows you to get a first-hand look at how your email will appear once delivered, and it provides an opportunity to catch any last-minute issues that might arise, such as incorrect links or formatting errors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently send out a beautifully tailored email campaign